Well, hello there, beautiful. Thanks for stopping by today. I am going to be showing you a hairstyle that I usually use when I want to protect my hair for an entire week or I just want something different. So my hair has been washed 3 days ago and I had it in two cornrows, but I decided that I wanted to do it in a style that would last a little longer. So basically my hair is dry. So as you see, I have a section at the front which is already parted off. I usually like to do a side part as opposed to a center part. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and section off the front part of my hair. As you can see, one part is going to be longer than the other part, and there is a reason for that. I'm not the best at parting, so please ignore that. So I'm going to section off my hair using these clips, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to moisturize my hair, and then I'm going to proceed to some flat twist. Again, I am not the best at twisting, so please ignore the way I twist because they're not great, but you know, they will do for now.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta.
Okay, lovely. So time for some flat twist. Just watch and see what I do because it's hard to really explain. But basically what I'm doing is parting my hair, and it's not small or big. It's sort of like a medium size. I'm going to go ahead and put some moisturizer on there and some oil, and then I'm going to proceed to flat twisting that part.
Resuena por la pared, creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
So basically on this side, you guys, I'm going to have 3 flat twists.
Solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles.
Right, lovely. So basically we're going to go ahead and repeat the same steps on this side of the hair. No rhyme or reason to the twists. They're going to be different sizes, different style, it doesn't matter. We just want to get some flat twists done at the front. So basically I'm going to go ahead and part the sections off and then go ahead and flat twist.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más resuena por la pared, creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
allá. Okay, so the front part is all twisted. They look a little womp womp womp, but hey, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize the back of my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush that into place and pull it into a mid ponytail.
Crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes. Seremos miles. Más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
Okay guys, so after you've pulled your hair into that mid ponytail, make sure that you start pulling your twist into that ponytail, and you're going to make sure that you set them properly because you don't want them to hang out and look a bit crazy. So make sure that you secure them properly. Then you use your hairband and wrap your hair as tight as you want, but I recommend not doing it too tightly.
Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más.
Okay guys, so after you've pulled your hair into that mid ponytail, the hair that's left out, make sure that you wrap that around in sort of like a bun. If your hair isn't long enough, you can use weave or extension, and secure your bun in place with some bobby pins, of course. Okay, so now we're going to tidy up the front and get those loose hair into place. I'm going to be using some HAIRSTYLE gel, and I'm going to brush my baby hair into place. I'm going to try and do a tiny bit of baby hair, not too much because I'm not a big fan of those crazy baby hair, but I'm just trying to make it look neat and nice and brushing my little hair in place as you see on your screen.
En el camino, melodías que no hemos tocado, y yo no quiero descansar. Resuena por la pared, creando una canción.
Okay, so after you've done all of that, you're going to get a hair tie and tie your hair down for at least 10 to 20 minutes. That's going to ensure that your hair is nicely tied down and there's no frizz, and the gel dries properly and there's no white flaky stuff happening. Okay guys, so after about 15 minutes, we're going to take the tie off, and look how neat and tidy my hair looks. Even though my twists aren't the best, it looks very neat, and everything looks like it's sitting nicely. So basically I'm going to be wearing this for at least a week. I'm just going to go ahead and use some conditioner in my hair, some leave-in conditioner, to make sure that I keep it moisturized. But yes, this is the end result. I do hope you like it. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you would rock this style, if this is something that you will do in the future. It doesn't matter if your hair is short or long, you can always use extensions. So let me know if you like this style. Go ahead and thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.